Connecting your refrigerator to the LG ThinQ app, Android phones. If you have LG electronic products, you can make your life a lot easier by connecting them to the ThinQ app. Check before connecting to the ThinQ app. Before connecting your product to the ThinQ app, ensure that both your refrigerator and wireless router are powered on, and connect your mobile device to Wi-Fi. If you haven't downloaded the ThinQ app, download it from the Google Play Store. Run the app, sign up, and log in. Now, let's learn how to connect your refrigerator to the ThinQ app via Wi-Fi. On the ThinQ app's home screen, tap the plus sign and select Add Products. You can scan the QR code on the front of the refrigerator. Or you can choose to add the product manually by selecting Try Adding Manually at the bottom of the screen. Read the Preparing to Connect instructions, then click Next. You can either select the refrigerator from the list of nearby devices or directly from the product list below. Select your Wi-Fi network for the product and press the Wi-Fi setup button for over 3 seconds following the app's instructions. Tap Next in the ThinQ app. Place your mobile device close to the product and wait a moment for the product to connect. When the screen changes to Product Successfully Added, tap OK to update the product information to the latest version. Once the update is complete, go back to the home screen by pressing Go to Home. You will now see the newly added refrigerator, and the registration process is completed.